Can you redeem your mutual fund now? So that is a question most of you will be wanting an answer, and because of so many reasons, I'll be sharing that reason today. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Anturu, your stock market profit coach. I help you in multiplying your money by investing in stock market, and this is my book, One Page Stock Market Plan, which you can buy it on Amazon. So today's topic is all about, can you redeem your invested money in mutual funds? And it can be for a couple of reasons. The first thing is investment is for redeeming, so you can do that. Your money you invested 1 lakh and it is around 2.5 lakhs in last 2 3 years timeline. It's a huge returns, right? So you can redeem. But do you need that amount, or you want to make sure the money is high? Should I take it right now, or else what will happen after 6 months? Everybody are talking that market volatility will be coming in and market might correct. All those informations are running around. What should I do? If it is for this reason, what I can suggest is market valuation is high, perfect, and you want to redeem, perfect, but don't take that money outside your mutual fund or outside your bank account, because once you take that money out and put it in your bank account, you'll always spend for anything. You might travel, you might spend, you might invest in real estate, you might invest in gold, you will do something or other to make sure the worth of the money is going down by taking that money out. So my better advice would be, from equity transfer it to debt mutual fund, so that the amount is there inside the mutual fund, and you redeemed something for 20% returns, and for the next 1 or 2 years you will have it for say around 6% 7% in debt mutual fund. And once it is being settled, automatically when the equity market is going down, or from 50,000 when the market is crashing or correcting, at that time if you transfer it back to the equity, you will buy more funds, and again you will start to making more returns. And why this is necessary, why it will be so worthful to do is that, because every asset class is a cycle. Equity is going high, and if you look at the stock, gold, it went up and it is staying at a particular level, and it started correcting and it corrected and it is at a particular level. And now if the equity market is correcting, automatically gold should go high or real estate should go high, and depending upon your portfolio worth, you can look at and as I said, gold will go high, right? And inside mutual fund itself, you can transfer that money into gold mutual fund. Inside mutual fund itself, you can transfer that money from equity to gold or debt mutual fund. So that is the advantage of mutual fund, because you have all asset classes. Equity is there, gold is there, and almost like real estate is also coming in the form of real estate investment, REIVT, investment trust is going to come up. Already certain things are there. You can invest a minimum of 2 lakhs and you will get returns based on the commercial properties. Though risk is involved in that, but you can invest in those kind of things as well. So that's how you will start looking at investing in mutual funds. So that is a huge advantage when it comes to investing and when you want to redeem it. And is it the right time to redeem? When is the right time to redeem? If your question is simple, have you invested for any particular financial goal? Say 5 years down the line, your child is going for a higher education, and you started investing for that purpose. And right now the market is high, and you thought of accumulating 10 lakhs, and right now the market is around 9 lakhs. And is the right time to redeem? Yes, because we 2 years down the line, your son is going to go for a higher education, your daughter is going for higher education. If you redeem now, in the next 2 years, that 9 lakhs can become 9.5 or 9.6 in debt mutual fund, right? In that kind of situation, no, not even more than that, you will cross 10 lakhs, the desired amount, by putting in debt mutual fund. So the better thing to do is take it from equity, put it there. And even say you have it for retirement and the valuation is very high, you can transfer it and have it in the debt mutual fund. That is one good thing you can do. Or you can leave as it is. If you are retired people and you are n number of service period, you may be getting pension and all these things. So depending upon your financial goal, which is going to come up in the next 1 or 2 years or 3 years, and based on that you can redeem and have it in debt mutual fund. Say your kids education is going to come up maybe next 5 plus years, or minimum 5 plus years, let's take that. In that situation, you don't need that money now, but still if you want to make sure you're doing asset allocation, put it in a debt mutual fund, and whenever the situation turns good, you can put it back to equity when the market is very correcting. Similarly, like what happened in the last March, transfer when market is crashing from 50,000 to say around 30,000 or 35,000. I never know, nobody can say that this is how the market will crash. So that is an option. Or else if the goal is more than 5 years, if it is an SIP mode, leave as it is. You can start investing, you can keep investing as long as possible. So this is one way of investing in mutual funds. And redeeming, how far you can use to redeem. And if you want to withdraw the money, as I said, put it in debt mutual fund so that that will be there as it is. And you can withdraw partially, so that is a good option, right? So you can do that. But in the case of fixed deposits, you can never do. Whenever the market is correcting and the interest rate is low, you will be getting you can invest only at lesser interest rate. And you can withdraw only the entire amount from the fixed deposit. You need to put it back to savings, and the returns will come down. Whereas in debt mutual fund, say you are having 10 lakhs and you need only 5 lakhs right now, you can withdraw partially. That is a good option with debt mutual funds. And the returns whichever is there in mutual fund, that particular debt mutual fund, it is going to increase. So these are the advantages of investing in mutual funds and redeeming when you want to redeem. And how exactly, because so many options, partial withdrawal is there, full withdrawal is there, transfer within the mutual fund is there, and transfer within the asset classes from gold to debt to equity is there. All these are benefits, including real estate is there. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, if it is so useful, please click the subscriber button and share this video with your friends, so that everyone will know about investing and redeeming properly in mutual funds. Thank you so much.